Hello friends, this is Gokul from Gokul Tech. Today in this video we are going to see an amazing function which will be a replace for if else and multiple nested if condition. To understand this better, and this function will works only in the version greater than Excel 2019. It will not work the lower version of Excel. It will work from 2019 of Excel. Right, let's start with the function and how it is going to work. Equal to, the function is switch, nothing but by switch, switch. So this function will help you to eradicate or eliminate multiple if conditions. And here the scenario which we have taken is, we have a name. I have taken just normal names for just for our reference, and this is a month number, so we have the data of month number. Now I want to print the name. So in that case, normally what we'll do, we used to use equal to if and everything will do, right? In that case, we can use the alternate of switch, where you can able to, no need of giving multiple ifs in between. So it will be like kind of a alternate, or you can switch your if conditions always to the switch cases. So switch to switch, equal to switch, and the syntax is, it says expression, give the value and results. So first we have to select the expression. Expression is nothing but my reference cell in from B columns, which is B2, and comma, my value is, if it is 1, give me the month as Jan. If it is not, like if it is 2, then give it as Feb. If it is March, give it as, so sorry, if it is 3, just give it as March. If it is 4, then you can give it as April, because we have taken only till 4 numbers. It will be goes till the 1. Just close the bracket and hit enter. You will get the value over here, and just pull down everywhere. Like for this 3, which is March, third number is my March, it will get automatically refilled instead of writing a complex formula using if. So if it is equal to, if this b2 is equal to 2, then give me yes. If it is false, again right, give a comma, then again if. So this help you to eradicate a multiple line or a bigger complex if condition in a shorter format. So this is how this switch function works in Excel, and this video is clear. And if you have any doubts in this video or any previous video, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Great day. Happy weekend.